Hi, welcome to this video on physical and chemical changes, and by the end of the video you should be able to work out which of these two is actually physical or a chemical change. So take this cup of ice. Here there's a change from ice to water or from solid to liquid, but whether solid or liquid, at the end is still water, so no new substance has been made. And we call this type of change a physical change. So, from a melting ice to dissolving sand in water, or even dissolving sugar in water, these are all physical changes. Because here there's only a change in state or shape. And it's important you know that no new substance is formed, and these reactions can be reversed. So imagine you're holding an egg, and then you dropped it. Well, there's a physical change because there's a change in shape. But then you decide to scoop it and fry the egg. You can see that the new product tastes and look different from the original product. So it's not actually a physical change. This is a chemical change because a new substance has been formed. So whether baking a cake or reacting an acid with an alkaline to form salt and water, these are all chemical changes because unlike physical changes, new substances have been made and it's nearly impossible to reverse. So what happens to particles during a physical change? Take an ice melting into water, for example. The particles move from being regularly arranged to a random arrangement, and the movement of the particle changes from a simple vibration in a fixed position to being able to move around one another. And it's really important you're able to describe this in exam. So for chemical changes, like the reaction between methane and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water, this is what the particle diagram for that reaction looks like. Now, if you look here, a new substance has been formed, which is carbon dioxide and water, so it's a chemical change. Now, for that to happen, the atoms in the reactant had to be rearranged in order to form the new substance. So remember that in a chemical reaction, the atoms in the reactant had to be rearranged in order to form the new product. In summary, physical changes result from a change in state or shape, whilst the rearrangement of atoms to form new substances results in a chemical change. So new substances are formed during chemical changes and no such can happen in physical changes. Well, you can get back what you put in during a physical change, but you might as well forget it if you try doing that in a chemical change because it's nearly impossible to do. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.